Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance BNB Earn. To begin, navigate to the Earn section on the Binance platform. Here, you will discover a range of products designed to help you maximize your BNB. These options allow you to put your Binance coin to work, generating passive income through various flexible and locked savings opportunities. It's a straightforward way to enhance your crypto portfolio. One popular option is flexible savings. With this product, you can deposit your BNB and enjoy the freedom to redeem it whenever you need. Interest is calculated daily and distributed directly to your spot wallet. It's perfect if you want to earn a modest return while keeping your assets accessible. Annual percentage rates for BNB usually range from 0.15 to 0.32%. For potentially higher returns, consider locked savings. Here, you commit your BNB for a set period, such as 7, 30, or 90 days, in exchange for a better annual percentage rate. Another exciting feature is Launch Pool, where you can stake your BNB to farm newly listed tokens. This provides an opportunity to acquire new assets before they are widely available, adding another dimension to your earnings. Finally, explore Auto Invest, which allows you to set up recurring BNB purchases and automatically allocate them to earning products. This strategy helps you dollar-cost average your investment and build your portfolio consistently. Remember, while BNB Earn offers great opportunities, all investments carry some risk. Always do your own research and consider diversifying your holdings to manage potential volatility effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.